Are you tired of missing important notifications on Instagram while using it on your PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable all email notifications on Instagram with the new update. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, look for the More icon, or the 3 dots at the bottom left corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, click on Notifications from the menu options. This will take you to the Notifications settings page, where you can customize your notification preferences. Now, find the Emails Notifications section and click on it. Here, you can choose the types of notifications you want to receive via email. To enable all email notifications, simply tick the boxes next to all the options available on the page. This will ensure that you never miss any important updates or messages on Instagram, even when you're using it on your PC. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can now stay informed and connected on Instagram by receiving all your notifications via email. So go ahead and customize your notification settings today to make the most out of your Instagram experience.